Wing Zero from Foundation Crew. And this is brought to you by Spin Control.
Today I'm wearing spin control jersey.
Check it out, and then forget never happen. Today I'm gonna teach you moving thread. Most important things is break your stereotype. Like don't think too much. Don't be serious. Like thread have to be here. No. So first I'm gonna teach you basic thread. Basic thread is like you can touch somewhere. So first today I touch here, and then other foot going to be like this. 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 This one is normal thread. So next, your touch point, you can move it. At the same time, if you go like this, at the same time, you can move from to knee, okay? Knee. And then if you go back, you can move to your first point, and then back to your first position, okay? Like this, like this. This is the basic moving thread. Next, first one was just from here. This movement you can touch to other foot, other knee, like this, and then go back, still touching here. Okay, on that. Like this, go back, move to here. It's a fakey thread. I didn't go back with thread. I didn't thread, but it looks threading. Yes. So I'm gonna teach you with that leg. Normally, that leg hook is like from here, like this, and then this foot to the front, like this. Today I'm gonna do with moving thread. The first, touch here, this foot, sitting here. Okay, thread here, and then try to move here, and then also your hand, first point, move to other legs, and then move to knee, and then go from here to that leg. And with the throw, like this, shoot, shoot, shoot. Like this. Normal leg. And then moving thread. Like this. And thread. Don't be serious. Thread don't have to do with foot. You can do head, hand, here. Everything is okay. And then you can do same things, same concept with hand also, like this. Show you like normal thread hand, like this, like this, like this. But you can move touch point, like touch, move, touch, move, touch. Keep it touching, keep threading, keep sexy. So if you do this, don't be serious, and so open your mind, and then just try. Fail, try and error is the best way to get creativity. Okay, first you have to be crazy person, then looking for cool part, and then after makes it more cool. Go crazy, nice. Okay. Yo, shout out to spin control and then forget never closing. Today, thank you for watching. Peace. Wing Zero でした。ありがとう。Moving straight.